下面我们来看一下这一道题 ，War on Women。好，大家先把视频暂停一下，给自己大概40秒的时间，把整个文章呢读一遍。好，我们来看第一部分。While the Republican field is packed with male candidates， 比较简单，对不对 ？Field 这个 d 呢，口型做到位 ，OK？Is packed，K 后面的这个 d 呢有点偏 t 的音 ，packed with male candidates， 注意复数。So far，some of the of 前后连在一起 ，some of the sharpest， 这个 t 呢不要读的过于清楚，不要读成 sharpest，OK？Some of the sharpest 这个 t 非常弱 Clinton critics have come from women 不要读成 woman OK women 是复数 While the Republican field is packed with male candidates so far some of the sharpest Clinton critics have come from women 我们来看第二部分 Democrats 注意复数 Democrats successfully 我这个 s 呢基本上和这个 s 基本上连在了一起 Democrats successfully campaign 注意不是 campaign 是 cam OK 有个 m 在这里 campaigned ed 的形式注意 campaigned 我有个稍微的一个拖音 campaigned on 这个 d 后面的 on 呢感觉是连在了一起 campaigned on an alleged GOP perpetrated 有个小小的拖音对不对过去式 perpetrated war on women in 2012 but faulted 这个 t 呢我没有发得很清楚 but faulted 有一个小小的拖音对不对 faulted in 2014 when they tried the same OK 这个 d 非常快 tried the same tactic这个 K 呢一定要发得清楚，因为是句号前面一个单词，这个音一定要发得非常的清楚。我们连起来读一下。Democrats successfully campaigned on an alleged GOP perpetrated war on women in 2012, but faltered in 2014 when they tried the same tactic. 有同学可能会问到断句，我们来看一下第一部分。这里呢，很多同学会不会断句，我可以直接就读完。如果断句在哪里呢 ？Democrats successfully campaigned on an alleged GOP perpetrated war on women in 2012. 你可以在这里有个非常短的一个 tiny pause， 把这个单独拿出来。OK， perpetrated war on women in 2012. 不断是最好的，如果断的话呢，我们在 war on women 前面有个小小的 tiny pause。OK， 好，我们看第三部分。With Hillary Clinton。With Hillary 这个不要读成 with 是 with Hillary Clinton as the likely 这 K 呢非常的快不要读成 likely OK likely Democratic OK 不是 Democrats 前面是 Democrat 这是 Democratic nominee 重音在这里 nominee OK nominee the fight for women voters 这个 T 非常的弱The fight for women voters will be a central part of 连在一起 a central part of the 2016 campaign 我们连起来读一下 With Hillary Clinton as a likely Democratic nominee, the fight for women voters will be a central part of the 2016 campaign 感觉不是非常的好读对不对这一块我们再来一遍 With Hillary Clinton as the likely Democratic nominee, the fight for women voters will be a central part of the 2016 campaign. 好，我们连起来读一下。While the Republican field is packed with male candidates, so far, some of the sharpest Clinton critics have come from women. Democrats successfully campaigned on an alleged GOP perpetrated war on women in 2012.But faltered in 2014 when they tried the same tactic. With Hillary Clinton as the likely Democratic nominee, the fight for women voters will be a central part of the 2016 campaign. All right, guys. Thank you.